Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Timothy, and in today's video, I'm gonna do my everyday makeup routine. I usually don't wear makeup. The only times I wear makeup is when I have a dance performance, my YouTube videos, or whenever I go out, but I usually don't go out that often, so I don't wear makeup a lot. But I'm gonna show you guys what I do for my makeup routine. So I got this video idea from my friend when I went to LA, and she said that I should do a makeup routine video on my channel since I don't have one already, and she said that a lot of people would watch it. I don't know, but I'm not a makeup guru or beauty guru, so if you come for me for my makeup, just know that I don't know how to put it on. This is how I put it on. So yeah. So first step for my makeup routine is I usually start with skincare. And for skincare, I think that it helps the makeup last longer and just makes my skin feel like there's a barrier between the makeup and my skin. And I feel like the products that I use have hydrated my skin throughout wearing makeup. So the first product I use is a Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel. And I got this at Target. I only grab just like a dot like that, and I swipe it on my hand. The next product I use in my makeup routine is the True Skin bitch. I'm a slime. So I got interrupted by my sister. But the next product I use for my skincare routine is the True Skin Vitamin C Drops. And I got this on Amazon. And I just use 3 drops and I mix it in with the water gel that I showed you guys before. Then the last product I use is a Neutrogena Hydra Boost Multivitamin Booster. And I got this from Target as well. And I like this because it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but I just like it, and I only do 1 pump of that. So I do a fingertip of this, 3 drops of the vitamin C, and 1 pump of the multivitamin Neutrogena gel. Yeah. So I filled in my brows off camera because brows are always a struggle and I always mess up and something always happens, so I did them off camera. I outlined my brows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown to outline my brow. Then I filled in my brow with the Benefit Contour Pro, and I used the lighter shade to fill in the front of my brow, and I used the darker shade to fill in the ends. Then I used the Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Sand to go over or under my eyebrow here. And I used the shade Golden to go over with the Morphe M224 brush. The next step I do in my makeup routine is I prime my face. So for primer, I'm gonna use the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Primer. And I love this so much because it's so hydrating, and I feel like whenever I wear this, my skin just looks better. Yeah, so I just take 1 pump or 1 thing. So after the primer settles in, I'm gonna go in with foundation, and I use the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the shade Honey to just go over the spots that I needed the most coverage. And the next foundation I'm gonna use is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. So I'm just gonna pump the foundation onto the Morphe Contour Highlight Sponge. And I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Rosewater. And I'm just gonna spray this, spray the foundation, and then apply it to my face on a damp beauty blender. So after the foundation is nice and blended out, I'm gonna use concealer to go under my eyes. Today, I'm gonna use the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. And I'm just gonna dot this all under. And I don't put a lot because when you blend it out, it goes out that way. So I don't put a lot. Yeah. And I'm just gonna blend it out. So I feel like the sponge didn't really blend it out, so I'm gonna use the Morphe Y7 brush and just brush under my eye to blend it out. Now I'm gonna set that in place with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade light medium. And I'm gonna take my dry Juno & Co. microfiber sponge. And I'm just gonna dab it and just pack it on under my eyes. And I'm just gonna sweep away the powder with my Y6 brush from Morphe because I don't like baking for that long. I just want it to set in place. So after I sweep away the powder, I'm gonna spray myself with the Mario Badescu spray and to just blend the powder into my skin. So now that the spray has settled in and dried, I am going to contour my face. So for contour, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I'm gonna take my Morphe R13 brush and go into this shade right here. This palette is beat up because I literally use it every time I do my makeup. But I only use the bottom row, so I think when I'm done, I'm not gonna buy it again because this was so expensive. But yeah, I'm gonna contour my face. So now that the contour is all on, I'm gonna highlight my face. So for highlight, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Bomb highlighter. And I'm just gonna dip a little bit in here. And I'm gonna mix it with the Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette. And I'm gonna go in with Mahu. Oh, and I'm using the R36 brush for my cheeks. So the cheeks are done. Now I'm gonna go in with highlight again and use a smaller brush. I'm using the E10, Morphe E10. And I'm just gonna highlight under the brow bones. Yeah. Yeah. For blush, I'm just gonna use the highlight from the Bretman Rock palette on an E4 brush, and I'm gonna go in with Jihu and just put that in between the contour and highlight so it blends together. Now I'm gonna go in with bronzer, and I'm gonna go back in the Anastasia kit, and I'm gonna use the far right shade on a Morphe E59 and just bronze my face to mix everything together. I forgot to film this, but now that blush, contour, highlight, bronzer is all on the cheek, I'm gonna go from the top of the ear to my mouth and just cut it with my Maybelline loose setting powder and the Juno & Co sponge. And just do that to both sides. And I'm just gonna wipe it off right away with the Morphe E3 brush. Yeah.
And just blend that out.
And then once again, after I finish blending that out, I'm gonna spray myself again with the Badescu spray to melt the powders together. And to finish it off, I'm just gonna use the Fenty Beauty Diamond Melt Gloss Balm for my lips. And to set everything together, I'm gonna use the Morphe setting spray. So this is the final look. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you haven't checked out my other video I did the Instagram Q&A video. So I'll leave that link down below, or it'll pop up on the screen somewhere. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.